Hi Aries, welcome back to your channel Blossom Life Tarot, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of October 2021. We will see what energies are you getting from the universe in this month, what exactly you should be really careful about, and what is it that you can go a little light about in this month. Let's get ahead with your reading. We have four sets of cards here, and every card, every set represents every week of the month. So to start with, the very first week of the month is the very first week of October. Then we have the next set, which is for the second week of October. Then we have the third set, which represents the third week of October, and then we have the last week, which is the fourth week of October. We also have an outcome card for you in this month, wherein we will see what is the conclusion of this month for you from your relationship perspective. We will try and cover all the areas of your life in brief in this reading. For your personalized sessions, you can reach out to me on 8448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. So let's get ahead. Well, the very first week of the month is something which is to talk about a lot of creativity. This creativity is to do with something at your workplace. So at workplace, you are actually getting together with your team, or maybe a project wherein you're involved in, which needs a lot of participation from people. Like the multiple people who are participating in this, all kind of energies are involved in this project with you. And trust me, this project is going to be very beneficial kind of a project for you, because the kind of people who are gathering with you, they have a wonderful energies and a lot of experience they are carrying with them, and this experience is going to benefit you in a lot of manners. Aries. So please get ahead and get yourself involved in this energy, get yourself involved in this project, because it is going to be a magical project for you, which can actually make your career really good ahead. Okay. In your personal life as well, you will have interference or maybe involvement of a lot of people, like your elder people here. Your elderly energies are actually getting involved in your relationship here, wherein you are in a stage wherein you need a lot of advices from people, like maybe your partner and you are not doing well together, and this is why you need some involvement and advice of your parents, your maybe your friends. So this is what is all about. This month is going to be a very establishing month in terms of your relationship and your work area as well, because I think whatever advice you're getting from people here, this is either going to break it or make it forever. So this is the kind of scenario you are in right now, Aries. So please be careful wherever you move ahead. The second week is all about stability, patience, and I think the way the first week is going on, the way you are getting involved with a lot of people and a lot of advices are coming to you, to apply those advices, maybe this will not be a very easy kind of a path wherein you can which you can actually walk towards or walk on very easily. No, it is not going to happen that way. You will have to have a lot of patience here. Plus, the second week is actually all about not only being patient about things, but also not changing anything in your life. So I will not advise you to take any any decision making. Any kind of a decision making is not allowed, is not advisable here in the second week, because it is all about keeping the things as they are, keep them the way they are right now, and this is how you're going to be uh, you know reaching that situation or stage in your life wherein uh, you will be in a situation to take the right kind of a decision. So if I have to be very precise with you, second week is a week wherein your emotional level is not up to the mark, and this is why any kind of a decision making what you will do in the second week of October, that's not going to give you very fruitful results. So please refrain yourself from making any decisions in the month of October second week. Third week is actually going to pay you really well, because the judgment card has appeared in your reading in the third week, and it is talking about decision making. It is also talking about whatever patience you had, whatever you were holding on to in these weeks, or maybe all these months, and whatever investments you were making in your life, and the kind of uh, you know hard work you were putting into either in your relationship or in your work area, that's going to pay you off in the third week. So if you are waiting for your mid-year appraisals, I think this is going to be a very, very beneficial part. Or I would say whatever way you have performed, good or bad, the decision making or the final concrete results will be there right in front of you in the third week of August, of third week of October. That will be very much there, and I will suggest you to be a little calm, because I see a lot of passionate energies, very aggressive energy in your card. So maybe whatever results are coming up, you might have to deal with them a little, with a lot of patience, because your anger, your if the results doesn't really turn out to be the way you wanted them to be, it is going to be not a very very good kind of a scenario for you or the people who are involved with you in this situation. Since the things are not going very well as per people for whom things did not really work out very well in the third week, they will start looking out. So I think October is going to be pretty much focused on your work area, Aries. You might start looking out, you might start look for a job, but then this month is not going to give you any concrete results. Like uh, your mental state is so that even if the good things come your way, you will not be accepting them. So October is a no month from a decision making perspective. I will not advise you to take any decisions, important decisions in the month of October. Hold on to your decisions, wait for the next month. In your relationship era also, if you've already filed a kind of divorce kind of a thing, or you are going towards separation, or things are not going well with you, because the very very first week is talking about involvement of a lot of people in your relationship era. So please hold on to your decision and then move ahead very 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 slowly here. Okay, your relationship card says that you are being watched by loving eyes. So it's not like everyone you're interacting with or dealing with, they are your enemies. No, you are actually by you in this harsh situation, in this difficult time. Your loved ones are there with you, taking care of you and being there with you as a support, as a very you know uh, the proper support system you have in this scenario. So you don't have to be worried about anything here, Aries. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, your friends, and please be with your family in the month of October as much as you can, because you're going to need them uh, more than what they need you in this month. Okay, so take care, God bless you, and have a nice year ahead. Bye bye.